In this video I will show you how to create drill holes. Drill holes are points which will be cut on the fabric. We will use the function createPointDrillHole. It is possible to click a point and the drill hole is created at a click position. If you want to have one offset, you can move the drill hole in a second step. I would like to show you a more elegant method. We will first use the function moveOrigin and define the corner of the pocket as 0 point for the coordinate axis. Click for this the corner of the pocket. You don't see the point, but the system knows that this is the new 0 point for the input of coordinates. Then you can start the function createPointDrillHole. Press the spacebar and indicate the position of the drill hole in reference to the new point of origin. So we can do the same for the other side of the pocket. Start the function moveOrigin and click the corner. Then start the function drill hole and indicate with the space the position of the drill hole in reference to the corner. Please note, the last drill hole you have created or the position of the last click becomes automatically the new origin point. Therefore, it isn't always necessary to use the function moveOrigin. You have the possibility to create further drill holes by indicating their position with regard to the last drill hole which has been created.